Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is Travel Mode Choice Prediction Using Imbalanced Machine Learning. Let's move to the abstract of our project. Travel mode choice prediction is a critical task in transporting planning and policy making. In our project, we investigate the use of imbalanced machine learning techniques for travel mode choice prediction. We compare the performance of a variety of oversampling and undersampling methods on a dataset. Our result shows that imbalanced machine learning techniques can significantly improve the performance of travel mode choice models on minority modes. Our methods is able to achieve the travel mode choice task. In particular, we compare the performance of extreme gradient boosting and random forest on an imbalanced travel mode choice. We find that XGBoost outperforms the random forest on all the imbalanced learning metrics that we consider. This suggests that XGBoost is a more robust choice for travel mode choice prediction in the presence of imbalanced data. This is the flow of our project. First we start our project. After that we have to load the data set that we downloaded from the websites like Kaggle or GitHub. After that we move to the pre-processing process. Here we handle the missing values. We convert the null values into zeros. After that we can label encoding. In that part we convert the object like string values into integer values. Then we move to the samplings. Here we balance the imbalanced data of our data set. After balancing the data, we move to the data splitting part. Here we separate our data set into training and testing part. We have the large number of data set in training part. Next of classification, we used a random forest algorithm and XGBoost algorithm. Getting the value from that, we move to the prediction and result part of our project, that which travel mode choice is predicted. Let's run our project. This is the output of our project. First we have the data load part. Here we load our data set. After that we check the values, object values and integer values, how many present in our data set, and also we check the null values in our data set. After checking that, we move to the pre-processing process. In here we handle the missing values and change the null values into zeros, and also using a label encoding we change the object values into integer values. This is the EDA diagrams for our project dataset. After that we have the sampling process. In here we balance the data set. Then data splitting part. Here we split our data to training and testing part. Then classification of random forest, we got a percentage of accuracy 86, and in XGBoost we got 94% of accuracy. So we have taken XGBoost as our proposed system in our project. Then we got a travel mode choice prediction from the dataset.